Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to handle a multiple language website in Prismic. So you will see here in the writing room that you have the filtering option for the different locales. So first I'm going to show you how to set up your locales. In the setting buttons you will find the translation and locales option where you can add as many locales as you want. So I'm going to show you two examples. First, the same language, English, but for a different market, Canada, and a different language, French, France. So I'm going to go back to my content inside a document, and here in the copy to another locale, you will see two options. You can either copy all the content or just the structure and the assets. When is it useful to use each one? So for copying all the content, it's useful when you have the same language. For example, English Canada, where I want all the text to still be in English. But for example, for the market of Canada, I want to show a different image, or I want to add a different slice for showcasing something different. So I will change my image because I don't want the bottle of juice, I want the fruits. I will click Save, and this draft has been created only for the English Canada market. Additionally, when I go back to my master language, I will have the option to copy just the structure. This can be useful when you want to translate the content. So I choose French, France, and I will be able to start populating the content in this new language. Additionally, you will be able to go from the writing room in a specific language. I'm here in French, France. I can start creating a page just for this market. So it means that I don't have to replicate every document across the different locales. It can be individual and separated in between the different locales. It also applies for releases where you can have a release just for a particular market. Additionally, if you don't specify which locale the certain document has, it will always fall back to the default language, which is your master language. So I hope you find this very useful and that you start using your locales, different locales in your project. And see you in the next video. Bye.